Congratulations! Congratulations!
Thank you.
So after whole months we worked together, okay,
Yeah.
tonight, and we got 5 offers, and we accept the offer. Congratulations!
Thank you.
Great, great. So can you share your experience? How's our team performed for the last 30 days?
Okay. Jason's team is very professional, and they serve do the open house and introduce our house to all the walk-in potential buyers. Really good, and they really nice, and they do staging,
Yeah.
and they tell us how to make our house more nicer,
Presentable.
presentable,
Yeah,
more present, and yeah.
You
Overall,
happy?
we really happy, and
Yeah,
we're
yeah.
happy about the purchase, the selling price too.
Surprise.
Yeah, yeah.
So far we worked together for the last 30 days. We worked together so hard. So today you're very happy for the result, right?
Yes, yes, yeah.
That's great. So thank you again for giving the opportunity to our team to serve your family.
Yeah.
Yeah. How you find our team?
Because we see the sign on our community, and
area.
we found out that he sell the house really fast in our community. So we decided to choose Jason.
Yeah.
We don't want to hold on to the market so long.
Yeah.
So
Yes.
it's very good. Actually only take less than 2 weeks to sell a house. 2 weeks for preparation and 2 weeks for sale. So we're really happy for that.
Yeah, and especially today market, we do see a lot more competition on the market.
Yeah, and see a lot of new houses coming out, but he still sell a house within 2 weeks.
Wow,
we're happy.
thank you so much. Again, thank you so much for your giving us opportunity. Okay, looking forward to serve you again. If you have any friends or neighbor need the service, please give us a call.
For sure, and give 5-star to go review.
5-star review. Thank you so much. If you're planning on buying or selling, give me a call. Okay, I'm looking forward to serve you and I'll provide service to you. Okay, talk to you soon. Bye. Okay, thank you so much again. Thank you so much. Thank you.